Long before, even now, there's legends, myths, rumors about a no-caller ID. He calls you every now and then, on every single day mostly. But when you track down the caller, you realize that he's from your own house. Ring, 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 ring.
What's this?
Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Beep, beep, beep.
That's kind of weird. Oh my gosh.
Ring, 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 ring.
What's the same number calling me about? Hello?
Beep, beep, beep.
Oh my god.
Somebody take a day off from me. Ring, 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 ring. That's it. Down this collar. But why? I was about to read my book.
Oh, just do it!
Okay, calm down.
Does it call me again?
Bro, I tracked down the caller, and it says it's from someone in the house. But Dad or Mom aren't here, and we don't have a little sibling. Haven't you? It's the phantom caller. He calls you over and over again. You don't know who it is, but it's someone from inside the house.
Hey! Forget about that, but the real answer is the woman's not real.
And you say I study too much. You study too little. What would you know? He's all over the internet. He's all over the news. People are literally getting calls right now, just like you were. What? Ring, 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 ring. Ring, 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 ring.
Hello?
Beep, beep, beep.
Don't check the basement. Yeah, but where my Jackie go?
So you're thinking what I'm thinking, right?
I think so. Sell this house and run forever.
Oh, that's exactly not what I'm thinking. That's the complete opposite.
Don't say it. He's literally down there.
We could literally get famous for this. It's going to be all over the news. Nobody's going to be stalked anymore.
Fine, let's go. Reason I'm going to find my Jackie.
Yes, but the only reason I'm going is because we can bust him and totally get our names in the newspaper.
Bro, nobody uses newspapers anymore. But what was that sound? Run! Come on! Run! What's he wearing my jacket?
The phantom caller hasn't hidden an identity.
Behind you, sis!
No, get up!
I got my jacket, but I didn't get my sister. Our mom's dad got to kill him.
What are you gonna do to me? You're the phantom caller? You don't look like one.
I have you in my territory.
What? No. How?
So you're gonna die.
No!
Go.
How dare you touch me?
Don't touch my sister. No! Power mode on. Well, I'm in the basement. Oh, I remember. But my head hurts. I gotta get my sister. I got you, sis.
Thanks, bro. Now let's get this phantom caller and get our names in the newspaper.
You're still talking about newspapers? Our lives are risk. You know that, right?
I'm obsessed with newspapers. Look at yourself and your jacket, Brody.
Nobody's gonna buy your newspaper. At least they're gonna buy something like my beautiful food jacket.
Stop! The world still needs saving. And our name's in the newspaper.